Hey guys, Lisa and Charlie here with our Georgia Suburban homestead, and today we're going to be doing two varieties of tomato jam with our overabundance of tomatoes. Thank you, God. We're going to split this into two videos. One with my recipe, which is for a tomato jam, and I'm using very low acid yellow tomatoes. And the other is, what is yours called?
Easy tomato jam from the Suburban Soapbox.
So his is a refrigerator jam that really doesn't take, a water bath. Mine's going to take a water bath. But he's going to probably get tired of it. He's going to be smearing it on his toast every morning.
I'm just going to tell it to you.
No?
A couple of pounds of ripe tomatoes, some brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, fresh grated ginger. Cinnamon, cloves, salt, and some cayenne pepper. Yeah, going to be a little hot in there as well. So, for breakfast, toast, get your day started right. In a bit. Alright, I got my ingredients measured out. We got 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. Ta-da! We've got 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Ta-da! We have a tablespoon, more or less, of ground ginger. And then we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. You can't really see it, but there's a teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon, of ground cloves. So the recipe says just stick them all in there and start boiling away. So
that's the sugar.
That's the sugar, the vinegar, the ginger, fresh ginger, salt, pepper, cloves, and cinnamon.
There's pepper in there. Oh, the hot pepper, red pepper.
Yes, red pepper, cayenne pepper. So we're going to turn this on now, maybe. Get all these in the dishwasher. Okay, so it's boiling now, and we're supposed to boil it down till it has the consistency of jam, which may take a while considering how much fluid was in those tomatoes. We're going to miss a few, so we're going to smash them a little bit.
You got a masher over there somewhere?
Yep, I only got 1 or 2, but actually didn't miss and chopping.
Oh, you see it simmering. That's about where you want it, right?
Yep.
Because that's where mine is. See, mine's got.
Yep.
All right.
We're just going to add heat and humidity to the house and for an hour or 2.
Yep. So we will be back. Charlie finished his earlier than mine finished.
Well, mine was 2 pounds instead of 5, so it didn't take as long to cook it down. It's supposed to be cooked till it's jam texture jam. That's pretty close. It does shift a little bit, but pretty close. Tastes pretty good too.
I gotta try it.
A bit of pepper and the ginger, they come out pretty strong.
And see the texture? It's pretty thick.
Spicy, isn't it?
Got some kick to it.
Yeah. May have put a little much pepper in there, but
I think the ginger
yeah,
gives it the kick.
yeah, the ginger and the pepper together.
And the hot pepper gives it a slow burn in addition to the ginger kick. That's kind of nice.
Mm-hmm.
So how are you going to do? I'm going to put it with cream cheese on toast, I think.
Maybe.
You got some vegan cream cheese in there?
I don't know.
I think we've got some vegan cream cheese for him to try that too. Oh, men that can cook, I tell you what, they're a blessing.
Just following a recipe.
Yeah, I have known many men would never even try it.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, well,
I can borrow water.
you could. I can burn water. I proved that the other day. So, what do you say to people wanting to try the recipe? Is it worth it?
Yeah. Give it a try.
Now we gotta wait for mine. It's been an hour and a half now. His cooked down a lot faster, and mine's still a little bit runny.
Yeah.
So let's say goodbye for your video. What do you need to remind these people to do?
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Ah,
Ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment or two. Tell us if you liked it, if you tried it yourself.
yeah, try this recipe if you have too many tomatoes. Instead of doing what people usually do with salsa and spaghetti sauce, this
Yep.
is a pretty good alternative, although this recipe only keeps, what, 2 weeks in the
2
refrigerator?
weeks in the refrigerator, so
You gotta eat it
Heat it
all in
up.
2 weeks.
put it on your eggs.
Well, next time we'll see you.
Bye.